This is a short tutorial on notation conventions to use when notating music. Placement of notes on the staff. When you draw your notes on the staff, make sure that they are clearly on a line or on a space. This first note here is on a space. You notice that it touches the line above it and it touches the line below it. It does not go through either of those lines. If your note is on a line, the line should be going right through the center of the note. There should be white space above and below the note, and the note should not touch either of those lines above. Stem direction. When you're drawing stems on notes, it's important that the stems go in the right direction and that they're on the correct side of the notes. When we're in the lower half of the staff down here, the stems go up and they go up on the right side of the note. When you're in the top half of the staff, anywhere from the middle line and up, the stems should be going down on the left side of the note. Placement of accidentals. When you're placing your accidentals, make sure that you place your accidentals on the left side of the note and the same line or space as the note head. In the examples here we have a sharp, and these are both, this is placed correctly, so we have the sharp right here, and it's directly to the left of the note head. You might want to think of it as being 9 o'clock if this was a clock on the note. A lot of people I see often will write them up here, and this is wrong because this is actually now modifying a totally different line. It has to modify the exact same line or space. So with a sharp, you want to have the center of the sharp should be right on the space here, or if this note was on the line, then it would be going through the line. For flats, the hole in the flat symbol should be going through the same thing as the note. Okay, over here. So it's right on the line, or if I was on a space, it would be up there. Note spacing. When you're placing notes on the staff as part of a melody or a scale, make sure that you're leaving enough space in between the notes so that you can place a sharp or a flat in the right location. Now if I take this sharp here and I move it, say, to this note, there has to be enough room there. A lot of times I'll see students take that out of there, they'll write their scales bunching the notes up together like this, and then they go to try to put in a sharp or a flat, and there's no room, so they stick it in the wrong spot, and so they end up often losing 1 or 2 marks just because they didn't space their notes out correctly. So again, you want to make sure that those notes are spaced out so that you can have your accidentals in the right spot.